To remove Pilcrow symbol in Word document, what you need to do is just disable the formatting option. And to do that, first you need to go to the Home tab here, and under the Home tab you will see here the option of Show Hide Pilcrow icon. Right now it is enabled, so you are seeing the Pilcrow icons. After we click on this button, as you can see, the Pilcrow symbols are removed from the Word document. In case you want to see them again, you can just click on the Pilcrow icon to bring them back and click on them to remove them. The keyboard shortcut to remove Pilcrow symbol is Ctrl-Shift-8 for enabling and disabling the Pilcrow symbols in your Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful playlists if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. And consider becoming a member to show your support. See you again in the next one.